Kakak. Oo nga pala guys, yung mga benan ko, si sister-in-law, puro sila teacher, si Habi lang yung hindi.
Because I wanted in public administration.
Iba-iba talaga yung gusto guys.
And teacher here in village is not stable because children every year less and a lot of teachers remaining without job. Example, when my parents came here as a teachers 40 years ago, it was school in Strelen, school in Tisau, school in here in Halish, school Valea Sălcilor, Izvorano, Grăjdana. It was like 6 schools and now remaining only 2. And in 1-2 years remaining only here because no more children. Here is not like in Philippines. Natality in Philippines is big, grow. The population grow every year.
Here in Romania is down.
Down. We were 23 million 30 years ago. Now we are maybe 16 million.
So ngayon ipapakita namin sa inyo yung mga mukha ng mga binan ko. Dami nilang mga picture. Tingnan nyo guys oh. Mga memories. Ito, tapos meron pa dito. Ang dami. Mamili muna ako guys. Sobrang dami kasi. Bakit nandito yung mukha ko, my love?
What? Found with you?
Nandito yung picture ko guys.
Hai să te pierdă.
Daddy.
Give me this time.
Oh, you're so guapo na lang.
Hello guys!
Again.
A baby!
Sinakulo?
Baby!
Jimiro gosh.
Hello guys! Hello guys, look. I'm just Tita.
Mama.
Ice.
She was in high school or college.
Tapos, ito yung sister-in-law ko guys. Tapos si Habi. Ang cute nila guys. This one, my love, you already married?
Laska!
Da.
Yan si mama guys, oh. Sexy.
What's the time?
Sumali rin pala to si Diana na babae guys ng
Sino, Mariana?
violin, my love, no?
In high school.
Nung high school.
Huh?
Ia lui mama, lasă acolo.
Friend.
Tingnan nyo si Habi guys. At saka si sister-in-law, parang Pinoy yung buhok. May bangs ba? Tingnan yung mukha ni Habi guys, ng bata guys.
Eu sunt.
Iso ko yung nagguay ba?
Fatima.
Ito na yung mukha nila ni Diana nung kinasal sila.
Te Catușa.
Ayan guys, oh.
Unde?
Mukha ni mama.
Lolo.
Atu.
Tatai.
No, my.
Tingnan yung Juana guys. Nagdala-dala siya ng dal. Anawa guys, oh. Tingnan yung mukha ni Habi guys. Ay, ang
11
cute. Sa lami paliwatan. Why you damage here?
Ha?
Chile.
Ang sexy ni Yanan guys, oh. Sarap ba?
Peștera muierului.
Where is that?
The cave of the window.
Moments?
Mai da. Peștera muierului.
Still it is this?
Da.
Where?
E Romania.
Where?
Far.
Ayan guys, oh. Cave. Tingnan nyo si mama guys. Yan si mama, oh. Mukha ni Habi, oh. Mukha ni mama guys, oh. Ganda. Tingnan nyo si Habi guys. Yan, oh. Ikogo si mama. Ito na yung mukha ni Habi guys nung high school, my love.
Da, da, da.
High school.
My age there 18.
Kasali siya sa football. Yan yung mukha niya guys. Ayaw niya talagang mag-smile ba? Why you don't like to smile before, my love? You need to smile.
Because maybe someone teach me to take photo serious. In school, in home, maybe. That's why.
Pero smiling siya, oh, nung bata siya guys. Tingnan niyo. Si Juana at saka si Habi. Ito yung mukha ni Habi guys, oh. Your age, my love, here?
14 years and a half.
Ganito sila dito pag ikasal, may corona-corona. Si mama guys, oh. Si Habi at saka si sister-in-law. Dami nilang memories. Ako in town guys. Saon laman eh, saon. Nung bata kami guys, kinatkatay, mami og kapi. Uy, usog picture sa amo, pa'y cellphone. Among paminahon sa
Take
una,
the photo,
radio
take the
naman to
photo,
guys,
guys.
drama.
With our kitchen before, I wanted to show you. You take.
No. Tingnan nyo guys, kulot yung buhok si Biana na lalaki. Init. Bye. Bye, Mara.
Bye.